Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm back at it making these Happy Mail paper clips, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I basically have a funny setup here, but it's a way that I can get my wax melted properly. I set up my ribbons on my paper clip, and then I just pour this in place, and it's really kind of wonky the way. Make sure that's gonna get this done quickly. It really was kind of wonky the way that one poured because it was really kind of all over the place because the ribbons and everything were there in place. But I like to put the ribbons down and get them situated so that they are sealed into the paper clip. And then I just take a couple of my different colors here. So I'm going to go with a pink. So that one maybe had too much. A red, a white, and a rose. Those kind of colors there. I'm going to drop them in place. And actually, let's try a little more pinky one this time. I've got a little bit of red in there, a touch. Leave that dark red out this time and see what it looks like. So this one I went over with my gold pen and I highlighted all the spots there. But I just thought, since I had everything out and my camera is sitting right here, I might as well do one with you real time so you could see the whole process. You can see how long it takes for the melts to melt or the wax to melt. So this is what it looks like here. I'm using a heat resistant silicone mat. Why can't I talk today? Words are hard apparently. Okay, and there's what this looks like. So even though all this stuff sort of gooped around in there, I'm not mad about it. It's kind of interesting. Let's color this on the happy. This just helps the words to really stand out. And you can see them starting to come to life here. At least we got all the words in. That's really good. Happy Mail. You can even sort of emphasize the circles as well, like that. So, cute little paper clip. This is what it looks like on the back. So you can see it's sealed right in there. It looks kind of like a yummy candy you could eat. And look at this. Like, so in the time that I did that, it's ready for my third one. So like again, I just have a very strange setup here. Let's see if this one pours any better. Try to get it more circular. I'm liking the colors on this one. Really pretty. Okay, that one's gonna look good. I like that. Again, you gotta make sure that Happy Mail is lined up just perfectly. Squish it down, hold it there for a minute, and if you are doing more, you can start setting them in place so that it starts melting. But I think I have enough actually. I just needed the 3. This one I didn't put any extra ribbons on. I think I might tie a ribbon on there instead. In fact, let's just do that now. I'm waiting for that one to dry, just so you can see sort of the contrast of doing it different ways. It's kind of cute that way actually. I'm going to cut these off, make sure they don't fall into my flame. So that's another way to go about doing it. So that's kind of cute as well. And I have put flowers on in the past. Let's try something like that. I can blow out this candle because I'm not going to use that anymore. Got my glue gun handy. Let's just put a little, actually, put a little flower on here. And that one that I had, that one spot where it was super uneven, something like a flower could really, I don't want to cover up that mail. There you go. cute little paper clip. If I come in, I put a little flower there if it sort of hides that missing edge, or I could put it on here, hide that missing part. Like it there. Hides that little part that didn't go on properly. And that's the good thing I find with paper crafting, probably crafting in general. Even if you make a mistake or something doesn't go just exactly the way you expected, quite often it creates an opportunity for you to be creative and find something else to sort of cover it up, and then it makes for an interesting little addition. Okay, so see, this silicone mat is great. Like it really, it didn't work this time. Ooh, that's different. So, ooh, that worked really good though. So because that didn't seal in there well, I can come in with more wax. I wonder if there's still more wax. It's already cooled. I could either come in with the wax or could even glue that in there. Let's just try gluing it in. That's the first time I've made a lot of these. That's the first time I've never had it stick. Oh, look at that. That's just going to seal perfectly, and you're not even going to be able to tell that that was glued. It's great. That's super cute though. I love that color. Love using the less red in there. Okay, come in and highlight that happy. So these are from Craspire. The stamp, if you're interested in getting this stamp, as well as these melts. They had originally sponsored me a long time ago, and I did some videos for them, and I'm still using their products. I have lots of materials left. That's what that looks like there. Okay, so if you wanted to see what I'm planning on doing with these paper clips, here's one idea. So I've created this shaker clipboard for my Secret Cupid Swap Happy Mail, and I had originally thought that I would take my my vellum belly band here and seal it with a wax seal, but instead I've created one of these paper clips, and I'm just gonna clip it over the top, there we go, to hold the vellum and the belly band in place. Scooch that down a touch. And just add one more element of decoration on there. I've got this little charm hanging on here as well. Anyway, so that's what that is going to look like there. That's going to go out in some happy mail for my Secret Cupid Swap. And if you're interested, I will leave a link at the end here of all of the Secret Cupid Swaps that I've participated in the past. It's a really fun Valentine's Happy Mail project that I do every year. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.